In this AlignMix video, you will learn how to export your data out of AlignMix and into Excel. The best way to do this is after you've completed your AlignMix file is to click here on File and then click on Export, Export to Excel. Here is where you can choose what you'd like to export. So if you wanted to export everything, you would click here on All, and then you can choose whether the export should be standard, everything, or custom. So let's start with this standard, and we'll just do it for the zip codes selection. So now we click on Next. You can customize how that export will appear and click on Finish. You now need to choose where to save this export. So click on Save. After the export completes, it'll appear on your screen. So based on the settings that we set for the standard, you can see this is all the data that is included. So if you did have sales rep IDs and names imported in addition to district managers, IDs and names, that would also be included in this standard export. So let's close out of here and do another one. Click on File, Export, and Export to Excel. This time let's select all the options, and we're going to do a custom for the accounts, and for territories we will do everything. So now we're going to have some variation there. Click Next. Now for your custom accounts report, you can choose which columns of data to include and exclude during this export. So maybe we don't want numeric data sales from 2021, but maybe we do want a distance to the center of the territory included, and we'll put that up here at the top. Click Next. Again, you can customize what you're about to see and click on Finish. Now we choose where to save that new Excel report and click on Save. When the export is complete, it'll appear on your screen. So here we've got the zip code export, we've got the custom account level export, and this is the new data column we put in there, so distance to the center of every territory. Then we've got the territories, and this is showing everything that can possibly be exported, and then districts and regions are set to standard. So that shows you how you can export all of your data to Excel in a few different ways. There's one other option for exporting your data, and that's if you have a territory table and you just want to export this territory table to Excel. So you click here on Export Table, click on Save. Now choose where to save that territory table. As soon as the export is complete, it will appear on your screen. Now this is just the territory table. A very similar view of this is also included in that export to Excel if you have the territories option selected. And there you go. You've just learned how to export your data out of AlignMix and into Excel.